Okay, we're close to wrapping up this section. This page will get some practice on rounding, and it's a little bit repetitive, but my goal is for this to be really good practice so that you feel solid on your rounding skills. This table lists the population of the Pacific states listed from largest to smallest, and I want to round each of these populations first to the nearest 100,000 and then to the nearest million. So the 100,000s place, California, this is the 100,000s place, and the 7 is the decider. So in order to round this, the decider 7 is going to bump this up to a 6. So this is going to be 39 million and then 600,000. 600,000. And then it says round to the nearest million. Okay, in that case, then I'm going to erase this and underline the 9 as my place value. The 5 is the decider. And now the 5 is going to bump my 9 up to a 10, so then I'm going to say 40 million. See if this will let me do anything. I updated this software and it's been glitchy ever since. So 40 million is the correct answer for that one. And then again down here, if we round to the 100,000s place, we are underlining the 7, and then the 1 is the decider, so that would be 7,700,000. Or if we round to the nearest million, we are underlining the 7, and the 8 is the decider. Let me just jump over here. Okay, so these are the results. Two different styles of rounding, or two different place values that we round to. So try these on your own and then check your results. And again, the cool thing about the rounded numbers is that it's a little bit less cluttery and easy to remember. Oregon, 4 million. Washington, 8 million, twice as big. California, 40 million, 10 times as big as Oregon. Hawaii, 1.5 million, basically. And Alaska, not even a million, although if we round it, we would round it to the 1 million. It is a little weird to round Alaska up to 1 million when it's not a million, but it's closer to 1 million than it is to 0 million. So that's why we round it to 1 million. And then down here, we're going to practice writing in scientific notation and writing in words. So just remember that when we write in scientific notation, we need to start with a number between 1 and 10. So I'm going to write 3.96. No go. Okay, so that will be 3.96 and then times 10 to the 7th power. There's going to be 6 jumps and then 1 more jump. So 3.96 times 10 to the 7th power. We could say 39.6 million, or we could say 40 million for California's population. And so on. And later I'll show you that another way of writing scientific notation is just saying 3.96 E7, which is sort of like computer speak, but some calculators show scientific notation that way also. And you could try putting a really big number into your calculator and then see what happens. How does your calculator display? Because some calculators, once you give them a giant number, they will default into scientific notation because they don't have enough space on the screen to show you the long standard notation number.